How to search code in Shein. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can search code in Shein. Now, the process itself is pretty simple and easy, so let me guide through. First things first, if you want to search for the code in Shein, all you have to need is the specific code of the item you are after. Where you can find them? Well, you can easily find them, or they can usually be found if someone shared a Shein haul on social media or in product reviews. Once you have the code, you want to simply copy the code. Then you want to launch the Shein application or head over to the Shein website, and at the top of the search bar, at the top you can see the search bar. You want to tap on it, and then you want to paste in the code here and search for it and hit enter. So this is the way that you can search code in Shein. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues as well.